called Confirm-NeededModules. The reason I did this is because when I was sending scripts sometimes to my coworkers or other persons, I get replies back like, oh, the script doesn't work, and a screenshot of the error message telling me that the module was not installed, it wasn't imported, or it was missing. Yeah, you get the point. So in fact, with this, I can do multiple things. For starter, I can choose to install multiple module at once. Then I separate it with a comma and write the new one, and the comma and write the new one. Yeah, you get the point. So as you can see here, I also have switches. I have the switch import modules here. Why I have that is because in the end, after the module has been installed, it will be imported. Also, I got the switch, as you can see, DeleteOldVersion. That's because if, in this case, PS Windows Update is already installed, you try to upgrade it to the latest version, if it's a later version available. And in my case, I don't want an old version laying around, so then it will delete it. When you install a module, I have some checkpoints that are going to run through. It will check so TLS 1.2 are used by PowerShell. You're making sure that NuGet and PowerShell get are installed as providers, package providers. So if it's not, it will get installed. You're also making sure that PS Gallery are set as trusted. So let's take a look here. It takes a little time because it's in a test environment in Hyper-V Azure. So as you can see here, it's checking so TLS 1.2 is in use, making sure that all the package provider are installed, making sure that PS Gallery is trusted, and it's installing the module. So just to verify it for you, here, as you can see, it's installed, it's ready. But sometimes you maybe just want to upgrade a module. You don't want to install the module, you just will want to upgrade it. So in my example here, I'm going to try to upgrade ImportXL. I have a switch here called OnlyUpgrade. It means it will only try to upgrade this module. If the module in fact are not installed, it will prompt you that this module is not installed and will not install it. Or of course upgrade it. And here you have the DeleteOldVersion switch again, as I told you before. You can also add ImportModule switch. You can also, like before, upgrade multiple modules. So I just want to show you here that I have PowerShell, ImportXL 7.3.1. I know this is the old version. I just want to show you how it works. So let's run it. As you can see, it's finding 7.8.0 and starting to upgrade it. And now it finds 7.3.1 and it will uninstall it. As you can see, it's uninstalled. So I just wanted to show you so you can see what's happened. As you can see, 7.3.1 is gone, 7.8.0 is there. I find this function very useful in the beginning of my scripts, or even when I'm updating my own modules on my own computer. I don't need to, clear out the old ones, etc. So I hope you find this useful. Have a nice day.